learnt about multiplication, right? In today's class, we shall discuss about ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order, you studied it in class 2nd, right? Shall we revise it once? What is ascending order? The arrangement of numbers from smaller to bigger is called as ascending order. Let's take one example now. See, this is example, children. 35, 26, 48, 56, 28 and 18. Shall we arrange now? Which number comes first? Tell me, children, which number comes first? See here. 18. Right? 18. Next, which number? See, 35, 26, 48, 56, 28. Is 28? No. Is 35? No. Then 26, right? 26. Then 48? No. 56? No. 28? Right. 28. Then 35, 48, 56. Which number? Which number is smaller? See, 56 is bigger number. So, 35. Then, 48 and 56. Which number is smaller? 48, right? 48. Then, 56. This is the arrangement of ascending order, right, children? See, 18, 26, 28, 35, 48 and 56. Did you understand? Let's take one more example. I will draw steps. 5. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ascending order is going from 1 to 5. This way, from smaller to bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you understand this? Yes. What is descending order, children? Then you know about ascending order now. It is arrangement of numbers from smaller to bigger. Now descending order is arrangement of numbers from bigger to smaller. Did you understand? The arrangement of numbers from bigger to smaller. Let's take one example now. Which is the bigger number, children, here? See, 56, 66, 79, 28, 35 and 21. Which is the bigger number? 56, 66, 79. Yes, 79 is bigger number. Then, which is the bigger number? 28? No. 35? No. 21? No. 56? No. 66? Yes, 66 is bigger number. 66. Then, 79 is over, no? 28? 35? No. 21? No. 56? Yes, 56 is bigger number. Then 28, 35? Yes, 35 is bigger number. 35. Then 28 and 21, in that which is bigger number? 28. Then 21. See, the arrangement of numbers from bigger to smaller is descending order. Descending order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The arrangement of numbers from bigger to smaller. Did you understand this? This is descending order. The process is going upside to down. That is bigger to smaller. In ascending order, smaller to bigger. Did you understand this? Children, in this class, we learnt about ascending order and descending order. Did you understand the concept? The ascending order is arrangement of numbers from smaller to bigger. In descending order, the arrangement of numbers from bigger to smaller. Did you understand the concept, children? In the next class, we shall discuss about division. Go through once work division notes and be prepared.